Here's the new Google Pixel Fold. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. So first thing is go ahead and turn it on, press and hold that power button until the welcome screen here appears. And we can start on here, or we can just go ahead and open it up. We can do it from here as well. We'll go ahead and just do it from here. So first thing is go ahead and choose your language here. I'm good with English in the US. I'm going to tap on Get Started right there. Connect to a mobile network. You can download your eSIM or insert a physical SIM card. Okay, you can do this now or you can do it after setup. For myself, I'm going to go ahead and skip this, and I'll do this after setup. I'll make another video how to insert the physical SIM card when it's already set up. Go ahead and connect to your Wi-Fi. You can set this up and do it offline, or you can do it now if you want that latest update. So I'm going to go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi here, put in my password. After you put your Wi-Fi password in, tap on connect there. It says connecting, obtaining IP address. Okay, now getting your device ready. This may take a few minutes. Now it says copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. So if you have a different device that you want to transfer to here, you can tap on next right there. And you need an old Android or iPhone device. Turn it on and keep it unlocked next to this Pixel Fold. Okay, however, for myself, I'm going to click on the back button here, and what I want to do is a fresh clean install. So I'm going to click on don't copy for myself, asking you to sign into your Google account, which is your Gmail. You can sign in now, or you don't have to sign in at all. You can skip, or you can skip and sign in later. I'm going to skip and just sign in later for myself. Google services, you have use location, allow scanning, and send usage and diagnostic data. These are all optional, okay? But for myself, I'm fine with having all these toggled on, and I'm going to tap on accept down here. Limited warranty info, I'll go ahead and click on next right there. Additional legal terms, go ahead and read through these, and if you accept, tap on I accept, and you must accept in order to proceed. It's asking us to set up a PIN, basically a PIN password. You can skip this and do it later, or skip it and never do it, but I would advise let's just go ahead and do this now. It's a simple PIN password. So go ahead and choose 4 digits. After you put in your 4 digits, tap on next. Go ahead and re-enter one more time. After you type in a second time, tap on confirm right there. Set up fingerprint unlock. This here is optional as well. If you scroll all the way down, you can click on no thanks, and you can do it later or never do it, or we can agree and do it now. Let's just go ahead and agree, and we're going to go ahead and do this now. Now the fingerprint scanner is basically your power button, okay? Right here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and place my finger, the one that I want to go ahead and scan, and we're going to go ahead and touch that right there. And now lift and touch again, so just go ahead and keep going. You feel like a slight vibration. You want to get that blue all the way around. Just keep on going. Keep on going. Now doing like the tip of the finger, it's saying we're asking here. So just keep on going. Almost done. Just keep on going. That last bit. All right, there we go. So now from here, you can add another finger, or we can just click on next and just stick with one. You can always go back later on if you want to add another finger. Review additional apps. You can go ahead and uncheck these, whatever you want or don't want. I'm fine with having all these on there, and I'm going to tap on OK. And here's a little tutorial here. Swipe to navigate. Learn gestures to go home, go back, and switch apps. Okay, so you can skip or try it. Let's go ahead and try it. Let's tap on try it right there. So swipe up from the bottom to go home. So in the bottom here, just swipe up. Nice. Swipe to go back. So go back to the last screen. You can swipe from the left to the right to the middle, or the right to the middle. Okay, so we'll just go from the left to the middle right there. Nice. Swipe to switch apps. So to swipe to switch apps, to switch between apps, swipe up from the bottom on the screen, hold, then release, okay? So let's go ahead and switch apps. We're going from the bottom here. We're going to slide up just like that and let go right there. Nice. Tap on done right there. We're all set. Swipe up to go home. And guys, we are in business here. And let's use the fingerprint to get in here. Oops. Let's try that again. Oh, there we go. Anyway, any questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck, guys.